Hello, it has been a very, very long time. Hello and welcome to Aphrodite Postiche YouTube channel. I know a lot of you will be wondering, who's that? Who I? So firstly I wanted to say a huge thank you to every one of you who have subscribed over the last couple of years. In recent times my channel has been focused solely on short videos, which is a great format to film in, but I really want to focus now on long form content so that I can make a genuine connection with you all. And if you're visiting this channel for the first time, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe. It's free, of course. So let me reintroduce myself, yeah? So you can get to know me. My name is WillVenus and I'm a custom lace wig maker and designer, and I am based in Scotland. I've been making wigs for around 6 years now, and it's only recently that I've made it my full-time profession. Why do I love wigs so much? We could be here all day. I get asked this a lot and I never ever get tired of answering. When I was a kid, I was always fascinated with hair and I was always fascinated with magic. Add those two together and what do you get? Magical lace wigs. Because I believe that wigs are magical. I am obsessed, literally obsessed. So how did I get into wig making? Well, around 7 years ago I got really ill. I had a condition where I lost a lot of weight, and a result of that meant I lost a lot of my scalp hair. So as I started to recover, the hair loss wasn't getting better quick enough for me, so I started to wear wigs and hair pieces because I wanted to cover it, because I wanted my normality back. Because my hair is like my identity, is part of it. But the wigs that I bought from websites and well-known apps were awful, the quality was awful, the materials were awful, they were all just awful in my experience. And they looked absolutely nothing like the listings when they arrived. And this was also a time where I came like to a fork in the road for my life. As I was recovering, I wanted to do something with my life that had great meaning, you know? I wanted something that gave me purpose, I wanted something that gave me artistic freedom and satisfaction. So I made the decision to become a wig maker. The only thing was, I didn't have a clue how to make wigs or hair pieces. I had absolutely no background in hair whatsoever. So I began to look for in-house training, but there wasn't any. There was none in Scotland, and the nearest classes to me was in London. Now I'm based in central Scotland, and London is about 500 miles away from me, so that wasn't an option. So it soon looked like I would have to abandon my plans to become a successful postiche maker. But then a few months later, I still had this niggling feeling that I should still, pursue this. So long story short, I found a course online, but it did come with a snag. The teacher was based in Las Vegas, thousands of miles away, never mind hundreds of miles away from me. Yes, my teacher was based in Las Vegas, and I thought, how's this going to work? But it did. So I did the course, consumed every bit of information that I came across. I did the course as it was set, and I just consumed every last drop of information that my teacher taught me. I perfected the craft, and it's still an ongoing perfection. And now here I am, years later. And so right now, I predominantly work in the hair loss sector. There's many different sectors when it comes to making wigs. You can make wigs for theatre, for film, for drag, for personal use, and of course hair loss. So I help people who are suffering from the likes of alopecia, trichotillomania, cancer treatments, and even disasters at the hairdressers. And I also help people who are transitioning gender, which is a great privilege for me. And I just absolutely adore what I do. I never complain when I have work. I love my work. Everything that I do is entirely handmade, made entirely with love, and you'll see some photos and videos as I'm going through this video. And so in the coming months, I'm going to be sharing a little bit of my knowledge with you. I can't share everything because that would mean me giving away all my secrets, and I need to keep some for myself because I don't want to talk myself out of a job. And plus, it's nice to have a secret or two, don't you think? Some of my followers and people that I've met recently are requesting some tutorials, some of which I'll be able to do, some of which I won't be able to do. Some of the things that you're asking will be going into a course I'm creating in the future. It's still in the design process at this moment in time until I can save some money. Yeah, then the course will be coming out. So the things that I'm planning on releasing are things like how to wash a wig properly and carefully so you don't rip it or damage it, how to do slight alterations, things like that. And I've also got videos on my channel as it is already, so check those out. And I'm acutely aware that every conceivable wig tutorial is already out there on YouTube, but there's one difference: they don't have me. Everyone does things differently, so you'll definitely learn a thing or two. And I'm really excited to get started sharing some information with you. But in the meantime, if you're someone that's suffering with any kind of hair loss, be it alopecia, trichotillomania, anything, do get in touch. I really want to hear from you. And also, I really want to send that genuine empathy out to you. Hair loss, it's such a traumatizing time, okay? Just please be kind to yourself. Yeah? Promise me? Yeah, so if you would like my help, please do reach out. The email is in the description of this video. I also do salon work. I've worked many times with salons as a collaborative process. So if you are a salon owner, or you manage a salon or whatever, and you would like to add hair restoration to your list of services, reach out. That's something I've done many times before, and I love doing that. I love collaborating with people. And we can have a meeting over the phone, or perhaps a video meeting, just so that we can discuss your client's needs and things like budget, etc. It really is my dream to help as many people as possible when it comes to hair loss, because I absolutely love what I do. I just wish I could do it more. Like, I'm one of those people that never complains when I work. I actually love my job. I love it when I'm busy. I hate it when I'm idle. So, for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching. I can't commit to how frequently I'll be uploading videos, but safe to say I will be uploading full-length videos as opposed to shorts. I'll still upload the odd short, but yeah, like I said, I really want to make a genuine connection with you and anyone around the world that wants to work with me. If you have any questions for me, please do leave them in the comments. It's literally my favourite part of doing YouTube. I love answering comments. I can't wait to see some of your questions. Keep them polite. Any negativity or anything else like that will be blocked and deleted. That's my privilege as a creator. Yes, so I will see you soon in my next video. Take good care of yourself, and remember, make wigs, not walls. I'll catch up with you soon. Take care, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Bye!